Welcome. This episode we will be building part 5-46B Lubricator Bottom Screw bush for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 5-46B Lubricator Bottom Screw bush for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So let's go to new part MMGS. So we're going to do top view, sketch. We're going to do a circle in the middle. That's going to be 30. It's going to be feature extrude. That's going to be thickness of 3. Just going to add the blind. Then we're going to do sketch on the top one there. Don't need to normalize it. You can if you want to. The middle there. And that's going to be 25. That's going extrude up by 5. So feature extrude 5 and done. Now on this top one here we want to do another sketch, another circle. That's going to be what, 18. So this time it's going to be extrude cut. That's going to go through all and done. There we go. Now zoom out a bit, or zoom in a bit, sorry. Now we want thread. That's going to be 18. Where we go? So go up to ones. 18. 1.5. It's going to go from that point to that point to, there we go, and extrude thread and done. Beautiful. Oh, hold on. Oh, hold on. What's that? Hold on. What's going on there? Ooh. Okay. Let me go up one. We're going to do a front, will do normal, sketch, zoom out. We want to do a center line there. Let's do a exit sketch, reference plane, do the line, do the dot for the end point. Do another one, plane, the line, and the point. Whoop, hold on. Try that again. Line. Oh, there we go. Must have had something selected. And there we go. Now, if we go down one, thank you. There's thread here. Let's edit you. Let's do this face. Clear that one. Up there. Clear that one. Down there. And okay. There we go. That's better. Yeah, for some reason we stopped there. It actually closed it in, which we did not want. Now, let me just get rid of hide you. Don't delete. Otherwise, you lose the reference. Now, normal. Didn't need normal on sketch. Normal works too. Let me just do a circle. That'll do. Feature. Oh, nope. Cancel that one. Extrude cut. The other way. Let's put 25. That we've got plenty of room and done. There we go. So it's now nice and neat. And when I think of it, we've got that line there. Let me get rid of that line. There we go. Again, sketch, circle. We want feature, extrude, cut, the other way around. Okay, and done. So that's part 5-46B, Lubricator Bottom Screw bush done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Thanks for coming along. Welcome new subscribers. Thank you for everyone's support. I'll see you next episode. Thank you for, and remember, keep designing.